Well, howdy everyone. Got a red Fittonia. It's a also called a nerve plant, and want to talk a little bit about how to care for a red Fittonia nerve plant. And so this plant is in a self-watering planter. And it's a Melphoe 8.3 inch. It does make a good hanging plant, but mainly this is a jungle plant. Grows on the forest floor, and so it likes soil that's got a lot of humus in it and that kind of stuff, and I use coco coir for that. It also does not like to go dry, so it's a perfect candidate for a self-watering planter because that will keep it, well, it'll keep the moisture level consistent without over or underwatering, as long as you keep the reservoir full. And it likes household temperature. It does like humidity, so if you can put it in a bathroom or a kitchen, or you want to mist it, I guess you could do that. But another option would be a pebble tray, where you place rocks in a tray and add water, but you set the plant above the water line. It's just the water evaporating makes humidity for it. Or you can get a humidifier, which is what I do. I've got a room full of plants, so one humidifier is a lot easier to handle than a bunch of pebble trays. This plant, if you can see, it's got red veins, and actually the color's not that great right now because it just came out of the box, but it will improve. It's got pretty red veins. There are two basic varieties of this plant. One has red veins and the other one has silver and white veins, and the reason they call it a nerve plant is because it kind of looks like a nerve cell. But it's pretty easy to take care of as long as you keep the soil moist and you keep the humidity kind of high. It likes bright indirect light. Again, it's a forest floor plant, so it doesn't get a lot of full sun. Maybe it gets some dappled sunlight or bright indirect light, and too much sun would burn the leaves, and too little light and you'll probably still keep this plant alive, but it'll lose a lot of its coloring, which you don't want. So pretty easy plant to take care of. Doesn't get too big. It's a good plant for a hanging basket. It'll trail down 12-16 inches over the sides, and I think if you're looking for a house plant like this, you can find it on Amazon, and I think you'll like it, so give it a try. Alright, so I got the hanger here, and what I like to do is set it on a bucket and get the center here, and then set the plant in like so. And what happens sometimes, these strands can get twisted, and so it doesn't always come up right. Now this one is okay, so we're going to hang it up. I like to use these carabiners because I can slide them around, and you do need some kind of a hook for this planter, but as you can see, the plant is hanging nicely in here, It's a bit crowded in here, but I like a house full of plants. So this is your red Fittonia, and it's in a hanging basket now. And so if you're looking for a nice house plant, this might be one to try. Just remember that it likes humidity and it likes the soil to stay moist. And other than that, it's pretty easy to take care of. So take good care of yourselves. Happy gardening. Don't forget, stay green. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.